Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the simplification of SOP function using K-map. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. Link is given in the description box. Now we will go to the topic. The procedure for simplification of SOP function, sum of product function while using the Karnaugh map, K-map. We will see the procedure. A pair of 1 eliminate one variable, a quad of 1 eliminate 2 variable, a octet of 1 variable eliminate 3 variables, right. So, if you pair one variable, it will eliminate one variable. 2 variable means it will eliminate 2 variables. Similarly, 4 variable means it will eliminate 3 variables. In general, when a variable appears in both complemented and uncomplemented form within a group, that variable eliminated from the resultant expression. Suppose one variable is available both in complemented and uncomplemented form means finally that variable will be eliminated. Variable that are same in all with the group must appear in the final expression. The variables that are same for all the term having the same variable mean in the final expression that variable will be appear. That is the point given. The next one is each group gives us a product term and summation of all product term gives us a Boolean expression. So, finally, we have the product term. These product terms are added together, then finally, we got the Boolean expression. Each product term implies the function and hence it is an implicant of the function, right. Each product term is the implies the function, so that it is the implicant of the function. All the implicant of the function determined using a Karnaugh map are the prime implicants. After simplifying by using the Karnaugh map, so each function is a prime implicant. We cannot avoid that. That is called a prime implicant. From the above discussion, we can outline the generalized procedure to simplify the Boolean expression. So, we discuss the few points. From that we can summarize the important terms. The first one is plot the K-map and place ones in those cells corresponding to the ones in the truth table or sum of expression, right. So, we need to plot the K-map. So, the corresponding to in the truth table or sum of expression SOP form, the terms are marked as 1. Place 0 in other cell. The terms not available in truth table or SOP function are marked as zeros. The terms available in the table or SOP function marked as 1. Check the K-map for adjacent ones and encircle those ones which are not adjacent to any others. These are called the isolated ones. So, before grouping, if any one is available individually, that is that you encircle that ones, so that that's ones are called isolated, that not grouped with any others. Check for ones which are adjacent to only one, that is two ones. If any two ones are there, and encircle such pair. First one circle only one available individually, then any one available with pair, so that we can encircle that the two ones. Then check for quads and octs, that is 4 and 8 cell adjacent cell. If the contain some of the ones they have already been encircled. While doing this, make sure that there are minimum number of groups, right. So, first we verified 1 cell, then 2 cell, now we are verifying 4 cell and 8 cells. In such a way that group the all these 4 or 8 cells such that will combine all the cells are covered, and also there is a minimum number of groups, right. We need to see that there will be a minimum number of groups, so that we will get the minimum expression. Combine any pairs necessary to include any ones that not yet be grouped. After that, if any one is available alone, then group that say 1 also. From this simplified expression, by summating the product term all the groups, right. From the grouping we need to find the final expression. Final simplified expression can be obtained from the groupings, right. So, first we will mark 1 for the terms available in SOP or in the truth table. The terms not available as marked as zeros. then identify any one is available alone individually, then grouping of 2 ones, 4 ones and 8 ones. So such that there will be a minimum grouping. We need to encircle the groups 4 cells or 8 cells such that minimum grouping should be there, and also see that all ones are covered together. After grouping, find the equivalent simplified expression. Now we'll see one example. So in this example, minimize the expression by using K-map. So one function is given, y equal to a b bar c plus a bar b bar c plus a bar b c plus a b bar c bar plus a bar b bar c bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms are given. So we need to plot the K-map for this 5 term and we need to simplify the expression. So the first step is diagram show the K-map for 3 variable and it's plotted according to the given expression. Now refer this diagram. So there are 3 variables available, A, B, C. So we'll use the 3 variable K-map A, B, C. A is available in the vertical manner, B, C available in the horizontal manner. The A having 2 options, A bar, A. So B, C, so the 2 variable having 4 options, B bar, C bar, B bar C, B C, B C bar. There are 4 options available. Now according to this expression, we need to mark the 1 as a 1 in the corresponding cells. First A, B bar C, right? First A is available here. Where is B bar C available? It is available here. This is B bar C. So A, then this is B bar C. So this is the first term. This is a term 1, first term. Second one, A bar, B bar C. Where is A bar available? A bar is available here. Where is B bar C available? C is available here. B bar C. A bar, B bar C. So this is the second term, right? Third one, A bar, B C. First, where is A bar? This is A bar. Then what we need? B C. So see this here, B C is available. A bar, then B C. So this is the third term. Third term is marked as 1. What is fourth term? A, B bar, C bar. Where is A? A is available here. We need to show B bar and C bar. This is B bar and C bar. So A, B bar, C bar. This is the fourth term. Fourth term is marked as 1. Fifth term, A bar, B bar, C. Where is A bar? This is A bar. Where is B bar and C bar available? Is available here. So A bar, B bar, C. So this is the fifth term, term 5. So 1, 2, 3, all 5 terms are now marked as 1. Based on the expression given, all 5 terms are marked as 1. The remaining terms, the terms not available here, is marked as zeros, right? So now we need to go for the grouping of cells. We need to grouping, right? First we will see any 4 possible grouping available. This is a 4 possible grouping available. So we can group these 4 cells. After grouping, this cell is available alone. So that we will make these 2 cells as a grouping of 2 cells. So there are 2 groups. One group is grouping of 4 cells. This is grouping of 2 cells. So after this, now all the cells are covered. All 5s are covered, right? One group of 4 cell and this one group of 2 cells, right? Now we'll see the expression for this 4 cell. So this 4 cell means this side, this A bar covered. A bar means got cancelled. These 2 cell mean these we have to refer these 2 expression, B bar, C bar, B bar, C. See this C bar and C got cancelled. Only we have B bar, right? That is available. This is the first term. B bar is for grouping of 4 cells, right? I will explain again. These 4 cells are available mean we have to verify this vertically as well as horizontally. So horizontally these 2 cells are covered. So got cancelled. Vertically these 2 cells are covered, B bar, C bar, B bar, C. So the C bar, C got cancelled. In both the cell we have B bar. So that is the final expression for this grouping of 4 cell. Then we will see the expression for these 2. These 2 ones are grouped together. So what is available this side is A bar is available. So given is A bar. So what is available in vertical manner? These 2 terms are available. B bar C, B C. So this B bar B got cancelled. B bar B, only we have C, that is C is given, right? So this side we have A bar, while combining these 2 we have C. So A bar C. So this is the value, corresponding value while grouping these 2 cells, right? So what we have? B bar plus A bar C. So the given Boolean expression is plotted in the K map with 5 terms. We grouped 2 groups are there, 4 cells and 2 cell. Then after simplification we got this value, right? Some procedure is given, we will see the procedure and description. The step 2 is what we did, there is no isolated one. So while after grouping there is no isolated one. 1 in the cell 3 adjacent only in the 1 in the cell 1. The pair is combined and referred to as group 1. There is no octet, these 8 cells are not available, but there is a quad. Quad means 4 cell. That is cell 0, 1, 4, 5 form the quad. These groups are combined and refers the group 2. All ones have already grouped. There is no one alone. All the groups are covered. Each group generate a term in the expression of y. In group 1 the value is b, while variable is eliminated. In group 2 variable a and c are eliminated and we get, so that a bar c plus b, the final value will be a bar c plus b. So this is the procedure given, right? So in this video we discuss how to plot the, what is the procedure to plot the K-map for SOP expression, how to plot and how to simplify. And also we discuss one example, how to minimize the expression, right? Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. Link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.